Hey everyone, Vinayak here. What's as important to techies as much as their tech? Food, of course. I purchased the Havells Air Oven to make myself a bit more independent in the food department. So let's check it out. Here I have the Havells Digi 1500, an air oven which has a few advantages over the conventional air fryers. In the box we have a recipe booklet. I will need this. A handle for the rotisserie basket. Let's get the oven out. Looks nice, it is big. All the more food we can make at one time. More accessories are within the compartment. The rotisserie basket, air fryer basket, 2 pizza trays and a drip tray, where all the goo from above would fall, keeping the bottom of the air oven clean. It's bigger than standard air fryers, looks quite nice in the chrome and black finish. There's a vent on the back. Make sure to not block it. A standard 3-pin plug to power it. The oven opens from the front. It's not spring loaded, so be careful or the glass in the front would break. The controls are capacitive touch and have 8 presets, but the manual says 9. Maybe the last one is the rotation mode. The time and temperature are adjustable using the controls on the two sides, plus and minus. The presets make it easy to cook. Select a dish, select a preset and start. Just make sure the item is cooked all the way through before consuming, as these are for certain weights and may not be the same for all. So undercooking and overcooking needs to be checked for, which is easy via the glass front, and we also have a light. I tried making french fries. They came out really crisp, but they did dry out, so you will need to control the time it cooks and initially test until we get a hang of how long it needs to cook. Pizza came out really well. It puffed up beautifully and we have been trying a new recipe every day. The rotating basket also works well, but I didn't use it much as it was easier to handle the trays. It's easy to set up though. Just align the ends into the slots provided and hit the rotate button in the front and it starts rotating. The lever here is used to release the basket when you need to. Use the handle to remove it as it's very hot. When you open up the door to the oven, it turns off automatically. And once you shut it, it continues on the earlier cycle. So boon, I can make more snacks for myself. Cause I can make more snacks for myself so I can overeat. The air oven allows frying, grilling, baking and roasting, which makes it quite versatile. Less oil or even no oil while cooking is a plus. Everything we tried came out well cooked and tasty. Here are a few pictures to entice you. There is a 2-year warranty, so that's good. So what are you guys planning on cooking up? As always, if you have any questions, do write into us at tech@talkingstuff.net or WhatsApp us at 96525 78833. Also make sure to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.